Hello friends of diesel cars. In this video I will show you how I tune my car with this big turbo. This is a first attempt of tuning my diesel inline 6 engine. It's M51 engine and turbo is GT30. Okay, it's Chinese turbo, it's max speeding. Some people recommend me this turbo because this turbo's working very well. So I will try to tune this car with this Chinese turbo. Actual settings of the turbo is there is no manual boost controller, so all boost that turbo makes, closing the external wastegate with this pressure line leading to external wastegate. So this turbo will be boost all of boost that it can do. Important disclaimer: this video is generated by AI. Okay, let's tune this car. There is two electronic control units for this car. First is stage 1, second is stage 2. Stage 1 is similar to software like software from factory, and stage 2 is more power. So first I will try similar software from factory. This software is plus 30 horsepower only, because I need to know what this turbo will spooling with almost factory software. This stage 2 is more power, lot of black smoke behind the car, so I think this is a great software for this big turbo. Okay, let's ride and try these two different electronic control units with different softwares. First attempt, stage 1, and look when the turbo starts spooling. Software that is similar to software from factory. Turbo starts spooling from 2500 RPM, so that's nice. So it's a big turbo, but has no power in low RPM. Let's try the stage 2. The stage 2 I can get over the 2-bar boost. It's wrong because I need around 1.8 1.6 bars, because this boost more than 2 bars can damage the engine and damage the turbo. So I must install a manual boost regulator to get lower boost with this software stage 2. Maybe I edit the software, because I don't need a black smoke behind the car at low RPM, so I must tune this car properly, but it's running well. it's good for me. So in the end, thank you for watching this video. Soon I will upload the video about some drifts and acceleration of this car, and I must do the proper tune. I need, as I say, the manual boost controller and do some tuning on this engine, but yes, it's running very well. Okay, goodbye, friends of diesel cars.